I knew I needed to see the physical therapist because I had my surgery, and I've already seen 3 in the past. So it didn't take me too long because I knew that's what I needed in order to recover. Well, with my problem, it was I had surgery for my back, so I had to wait about 6 weeks after the release from my doctor to see a physical therapist. So it was about 6 weeks from my surgery. Just being a mom, being able to take care of my kids, playing with them, just every day, being a stay-at-home mom, cooking and doing laundry and just all that. Medication, daily medication. Well, it's something that I didn't want to do every single day anyway. So, um, and pretty much that. And just, I knew I needed physical therapy. I always knew they were there to help me strengthen my muscles, to get me stronger to recover from whatever it was that I was feeling. I would tell them, I mean, I've been telling them ever since I met you guys that they should go. Not just necessarily like my last physical therapist, but you guys, Empower is different. Carlo is different. I've had other physical therapy before where it's kind of, I do it for a few sessions and they kind of just let me go. You know, now with Carlo, it's like, it's different. And I tell my friends all the time, they're different, you know? Carlo's different. And my brother, I'm always telling him that, you know, you need to go, you need to go see him. I tell him all the time. I even see random people who's like, oh, my back hurts. Like, come see Carlo. My Pilates instructor, she's like teaching me all this stuff. And she tells me about her pain. I'm like, you got to go see Carlo. I just love like um, Carlos always telling me he's just personable, you know. It's not like he's there to make me feel better and then let me go. He's trying to mentally make me better, physically, of course, and just like allow me to recognize my body. Because I go in there every day and it's not the same thing that I feel. I mean, yes, my main cause is my back, but sometimes I feel it higher, sometimes I feel it in my hips, sometimes I feel it in my legs. And he's able to treat what it is I'm feeling at that moment. I would encourage them to try it out. It's a life changer. I mean, even for me, like I've been to 3 other ones, and you don't realize how limited you can become with pain, relying on maybe yourself to get you through it, relying on medication to heal you. But in the end, you do. I need physical therapy. Like, I crave it right now because I know that when I go, I feel so good. And when I leave there, even if I don't see you guys for, you know, a few days or a week, I'm able to do those exercises. Like Carlo, you know, empowers me at home to do what I need to do to feel better at that moment as well. So in general, I do like physical therapy is needed for people that has those pain, and I feel like if they do, you have to give it a try because you can't live your life like that. Like I couldn't live my life not having physical therapy because I'm going to be limited. Yes, my number one thing was just getting my life back. I mean, I'm young, you know. I feel like I'm young. I have 3 little kids, and I want to be able to live normally for my kids. I mean, they're young. They need their mom. My husband needs a wife, and I need to be able to function. And if I didn't go, I don't know for myself what I would be able to do. And then one day I want to go back to working, to being a dentist, and the requirement of my body, I need to be strong for that. And then, right now I want to be strong for my kids and my family.